How to recover data after doing factory resets on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Have you ever done a factory reset on your Android phone and lost all your precious data? Don't worry. So, without further ado, let's move into the video. For that, first of all, you need to recover from a local backup. If you have created a local backup before resetting your device, you can restore your data in just a few steps. For that, you need to simply launch Settings. Now scroll down. Locate for the option of Google and launch it. Here you got the two options recommended and all services. Select all services. Now find out the option of backup and open it. After that, you simply need to choose your Google account and then toggle the button on for Backup by Google One and select Backup now. This will help you to recover all your data after a factory resets on Android. Method 2. If your data was synced with a Google account, you can again open Settings, hop into Users and Account. Now open Google, choose your Google account, and after that, you simply need to tap on three dots at top right and select Sync Now. And after that, your data will begin restoring automatically, including your contacts, photos, apps, data, calendar, and many more. And that's it. These two methods can help you get back your important data after a factory reset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.